Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix SoundWire connection disconnected problem. Type allow an app through Windows Firewall. Click allow an app through Windows Firewall. Click change settings. Click allow another app. This PCC drive. Program files x86. SoundWire server. SoundWire server. Check private and public. Click OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.